Hello YouTube. In today's video I'll be showing you how a sub $200 DELL OPTIPLEX performs on some esport titles like Fortnite and Rocket League. And so for the parts we are rocking the GTX 1650, 16 gigs of Corsair Vengeance RAM clocked in at 2400 MHz, a 250GB NVMe, and inside of the PC we have an Intel i5 7500. Now that that's all done, let's get into the build montage. Now that the PC is all built, I'm going to quickly install Windows 11 and move on to benchmarking. So how did this PC perform in the esport titles that I have mentioned? So for Rocket League, I was getting an average of 3 to 400 FPS, which is really good. But to be honest, that game can run on most toasters in 2024, so let's move on to some more intensive titles. Next up, we got Fortnite Creative. So as you see in Fortnite, whilst my brother is speed building, whatever he's doing, it's getting around 200 to like 300 FPS, which is still really good. We have to take in mind that this is creative, and the majority would like to play Battle Royale, so let's quickly show you what you've been waiting for. So during this recording, we are currently in Chapter 5, Season 2 of Fortnite, and our FPS is around 160 to 80 FPS, which to be honest isn't too great considering Xbox Series S gets this number consistently, and also our Fortnite was kind of choppy. Occasionally the game would hitch or freeze whenever we were testing. Now this could be Fortnite's optimization problem, or the fact that this is the first time Battle Royale has actually been launched on this computer. So the PC is trying to cache everything, all the graphic textures, whatever, and it's just causing it to bug out and freeze. So I think this could definitely be fixed if you just keep playing and let the PC just cache all the data, and it should be fine. And if you live in the UK, you can actually buy this computer from us on our website, link in description. But that's this video is done. I really hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to like and subscribe so I can keep posting more PC building content. Oh, and before I forget, here's the price of the whole PC.